Welcome to the best picks. The best stove lock is probably one of the most crucial safety devices for any home, especially those with curious children or playful pets. It's designed to prevent accidental activation of stove burners, mitigating the risk of burns, fires, and other kitchen-related hazards. This video will explore the features, benefits, and installation process of a top-rated stove lock, ensuring your kitchen remains a safe and secure environment. Number 5. Safety First Stove Knob Covers, set of 5. Keep your children safe with these stove knob covers. They are designed to prevent curious kids from turning on the stove. Adults can easily access the stove knobs when it's time to cook. The hinged lid provides quick access. You can easily see if the stove burner is on or off. The transparent design allows for clear visibility. These covers are made from durable, heat-resistant plastic. They are built to withstand wear and tear. This set of 5 covers fits most modern appliances. Installation is simple due to the universal design. What we like? This stove knob cover features a clear design, allowing you to easily monitor your stove's controls. It's made from durable, heat-resistant materials, ensuring long-lasting protection. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to keep your child safe while maintaining visibility and ease of use, this is a great choice. What people say. Very easy to install and unlock when needing. They're sturdy, super clear, and fit perfectly over my 4 stove knobs. It's clear, which is helpful to see the setting of the notch. Number 4. EUDEMON Oven Door Lock, Childproof and Easy Install. This oven door lock is a Mom's Choice Gold Awards winner. It's designed to keep your little ones safe from potential kitchen hazards, providing peace of mind. Before purchasing, please note that the oven may still open slightly when locked. Ensure the distance between the door and oven is less than 0.78 inches and the knob distance is more than 4.4 inches. Always supervise your children, as this product is not a substitute for adult supervision. Installation is a breeze with durable, heat-resistant tapes, no tools or drilling required. The strong adhesive ensures a secure hold, and it removes cleanly without damaging the oven surface. It can anchor up at least 35 pounds. The lock features a 180-degree revolving design for easy use. The double-button design makes it challenging for babies to open, but simple for adults. Gently push the lock to switch between locking and unlocking positions. The button color matches the lock, reducing your baby's curiosity. This lock prevents children from opening the oven and potentially getting burned or injured. It helps keep your little ones safe from accidents in the kitchen, giving you one less thing to worry about. Made of heat-resistant PC material, you don't have to worry about the lock being damaged or your child's hands being scalded. It's designed to withstand the heat of the oven. What we like? This oven door lock is incredibly easy to install, with no tools or drilling required. It's made from heat-resistant materials, ensuring it can withstand high temperatures. If you have a curious toddler who loves exploring the kitchen, this lock's double-button design will keep them safe while still being easy for you to use. What people say. Works great on keeping my son from opening the oven or other appliances, very durable and easy to use. It blends in with the stove, easy to use, it's been a little over a month and seems durable. It fits on the stove perfect. It's easy to open and lock. Toddler cannot unlock it easily, so safety is good. I suggest that you wipe the mounting area down with alcohol, as you should do with any mounting tape. Number 3. Jool Baby Clear Stove Knob Covers, 5-pack. Are you worried about your child playing with the stove knobs? These covers from Jool Baby are designed to prevent exactly that. They provide a simple yet effective way to baby-proof your kitchen. Unlike other products, this cover has a large design, making it compatible with more stove knobs. It's a versatile solution for various stove models, ensuring a secure fit for most. Made from strong and durable materials, this cover offers continuous protection. It's heat-resistant, so you don't have to worry about it melting or getting damaged from the heat. The clear design ensures that it blends into any kitchen decor. It's aesthetically pleasing and doesn't detract from the look of your kitchen. It's easy to install and remove. The hinged lid allows adults to easily access the stove controls. You can open it without completely removing the cover. This makes it convenient for everyday use. Jool Baby offers a lifetime warranty, covering any manufacturing defects. This provides peace of mind, knowing that the product is built to last and backed by the manufacturer. What we like. This stove knob cover is made from durable and heat-resistant material, ensuring your child's safety. Its clear design blends seamlessly into your kitchen decor. If you like a product that combines safety with a sleek look, this cover is perfect for you. What people say. These knob covers install easily after pulling off the stove knobs, pushing on the thumbprint on the cover to open the knob cover and then putting the knob cover in place and replacing the knob and closing the knob cover. They do what they are meant to do and work perfectly and keeps children and family safe. All you have to do is take off the knob, insert the part of the knob that fits on the stove into the hole on the knob covers, clear, and snap it shut. And no, you don't have to take it off when you get ready to use your range top or ISBEN. Just open the cover where you see the fingerprint space, open it and turn your top burners on, snap it back shut and let the cooking begin. It comes with 5 knobs. Number 2. Mom's Choice Stove Knob Covers, 5+1 pack. This product is a Mom's Choice Gold Awards winner. It's designed to keep your children safe from the dangers of stoves and ovens. It provides peace of mind knowing your little ones are protected. The double key design makes it difficult for babies to open, but simple for adults. This ensures that kids can't accidentally turn on the stove, preventing potential fires or gas leaks. The covers are designed to fit a wide range of gas stove and oven knobs. The upgraded size ensures a secure fit for knobs with an inner diameter less than 2.4 inches. Made from high-temperature resistant PC material, this product is built to last. The clear design won't block your view of the temperature controls, ensuring ease of use. The kit includes 5 stove knob covers and 1 oven lock. You can use the included adhesive for extra security, and it removes easily without leaving residue. Before purchasing, please measure your stove knobs to ensure compatibility. The distance between knobs should be at least 3 inches, the knob height should be less than 1.9 inches, and the knob diameter should be less than 2.4 inches. What we like. This product features a double key design, making it extra secure for your little ones. It comes in a universal size, fitting a wide range of stove knobs. If you have a variety of stove types and want a reliable, easy-to-use solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install. The stove lock is a great product. It works perfectly. Number 1. EUDEMON Oven Door Lock for Kids. Introducing the EUDEMON Oven Door Lock, designed to protect your little ones. This lock prevents children from opening the oven and potentially getting injured or burned. It's a simple solution for kitchen safety. Installing this lock is a breeze. It uses durable, heat-resistant adhesive tapes, so no tools or drilling are required. The strong adhesive ensures it stays in place, and it can be removed without damaging the oven surface. Before purchasing, please measure the distance between the oven door and the oven. It should be less than 0.78 inches, 20 millimeters, to ensure the lock fits properly. Remember, this product does not replace adult supervision. The lock features a special revolving design and double buttons for added security. It can rotate 180 degrees, and the double button design makes it difficult for babies to open but easy for adults. The button color matches the lock to avoid attracting children's attention. Made from heat-resistant PC material, this lock is safe to use. You don't have to worry about the lock melting or your child getting burned. It's designed to withstand the heat of the oven. What we like. This oven door lock is easy to install with strong adhesive, requiring no tools or screws. It's made of heat-resistant material, ensuring it can withstand high temperatures. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to prevent your child from opening the oven, this is a great choice. What people say. This works great. Adheres to the oven and it keeps the kiddos out. Easy to install and use, and it's definitely strong. Works great to lock the oven, has stuck really well, keeps the toddler from opening the oven. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.